This is my first time doing this. I hope it's gonna go well. Bola, I'm Eddie. Today I'm gonna do a basket weaving. When you want to make a basket, first of all you climb the tree first and then you cut the leaves. Usually people start with two leaves, but I'm gonna start with three. Second one in front, that one back, and the first one away from you. Whenever you do a basket, the leaves at the bottom of the leaves that come towards you, the last one towards you, you have to lift it up. So this one, I have this one on the top and this one at the bottom. I'm gonna use my left hand just to lift. The other hand I'm gonna use for weaving. So this one is at the bottom, the last one towards you. So I have first one in front, second one on the top of it, under the one that you're lifting. See now, we come up with the leaves getting two now. So we have two at the bottom. So remember, first one in front, second one on the top, under the one that you're lifting. See? Now you start forming it. Make sure you press this part so the leaves can stick together. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna press everything, make sure that the leaves all together. And I use the last one to lock it. So when I lock that, you can see the leaves can't bend, the leaves doesn't move. Start with the three, second one in front, the third one towards you, and the first one away from you. See now, I finished with both sides. This is the fun part. When you braid this, the one on the right, I put on the top, and the one on the left, I put on the bottom, and then I use the other one as well. Like that. See? It's embarrassing if you don't know this when you are young, mostly when you have become a Fijian. And then you braid all the way. Now you make a knot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take it off and then pull it. Now we have to do the braiding on the other side. See, now we start closing the thing up. See, now we finish the other handle. Tie down. The other side. And then you make a knot. Anyway guys, thank you very much and see you later.